Love is an unconditional vow to an imperfect person. We are here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to bear witness to the words that will unite them today in marriage. On behalf of the bride, Hayley, and the groom, Jacob, I welcome you to this joyous ceremony.
Jake, today's the day I get to marry my best friend and my biggest supporter. 13 and a half years ago today, you asked me to be your girlfriend while we studied for our high school exams, and I'm forever grateful that we officially started our journey together on that day. Today, we get to celebrate the joy we have already experienced together and the adventure that is still ahead of us.
Hayley, I love you. I love seeing your face first thing every morning when I wake up, and evenings on the couch with you and Hova. I love the way that you motivate me. You make things I never thought about or knew that I was capable of.
I promise to always cheer for the Tennessee Titans and the Raptors. I promise that my love for you will grow every day and to always be your best friend and biggest supporter.
I promise to continue to grow and learn and seek out new experiences with you. You are already old, but I promise to get old too, so we can be old together. I promise to respect and cherish and love you every day. Thank you for choosing to be my wife. I love you.
It is my privilege to present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Jake and Hayley.